No. Camera. Look at Isaac's dog though. That's me and his dog.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, it's so cute.
You took like 50 pictures of the dog.
Mario. There's my girlfriend. I'm a creep. I'm sorry. Don't edit it.
Idiot.
Are they lighting?
I laughed.
Blood fireworks!
Oh yeah!
Okay, that was back there.
I like the steamer. A steamer.
Alex used some pathetic fireworks. They are like oozing. Oh!
Yeah! Oh! That hit the tree!
You do the properties! Alex, stop it! You suck at lighting fireworks.
You're gonna catch a tree on fire! They hit the tree!
The fireworks were going.
Oh, I know!
Somewhere over here.
This is like the perfect YouTube opportunity.
Alright.
Canada Day fireworks a day late. 2 days late, Canada Day fireworks.
Jesus Christ!
I bet you if we stand at the corner, we can get those ones too. Yeah, let's go. Bet. Nope. Yo, it's
Pathetic fireworks! Alex has some pathetic fireworks.
yes. I'll send you mine and you can edit them all together.
Pathetic.
Wait, you should edit them to make them look cool.
I do.
So we're down at the corner of our street, or my street. By Bell Variety.
Yo,
by
turn
the way.
torch on. You can want to look.
Hey, Bell Variety, if you want to sponsor me, you're welcome to. They're out there too.
Oh! Woo!
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 Pathetic.
Kaden, come on. They're trying.
Too.
That's not her mic.
So,
It's them.
stupid fireworks.
Oh, this is
It's kind of
perfect.
cool because you can just get a long clip.
Whoa.
This is hard. I'm trying to get the ball. Back and forth.
My lamp already even looked. Oh, yes. Perfect YouTube.
Point over there. Those ones are good.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at all the smoke in the street.
A firework every 10 minutes. Let's go.
I have filmed 3 minutes and barely any fireworks.
And then we'll record that one.
And now they're up there. Come on.
That's the school.
That's not the school.
Look at the smoke and those things are fire.
That's what I just said.
Halloween night.
Doo-doo-doo-doo.
No, man.
Nah, if it was Halloween, I'd be.
It was Halloween.
Hi, Keegan. Hi, Keegan. My cousin or no. Friends. What?
I think they're done.
No, they're not done.
I think they are. What? They are, yeah, probably.
Alex. No.
You have some pathetic fireworks. I heard the stalker. I can literally see it.
Dude, don't. Oh, yes. Well, we thought the show was over. It ain't even close. Oh, we going over here now?
It's your little head.
Don't be mean. Yeah, this is gonna be my best YouTube video yet. When I edit it and add all yours clips to mine, you just send it to me.
Not taking my clips.
Fine, I'll give you credit at the end.
Can you look pretty?